On Earth, we take for granted that everywhere we go there is breathable air and natural protection from solar and cosmic radiation. With the right choice of clothing, even extreme temperatures can become temporarily bearable. Once we leave Earth's atmosphere, however, things change dramatically. Nothing is more valuable in space than space itself. Not the immeasurable void that surrounds the blue marble we call home, rather than the living space we absolutely need in order to survive severely hostile alien environments. This problem calls for a solution that keeps astronauts and settlers safe and comfortable, at the same time providing them with adequate room for all their logistic and storage needs. Something strong, durable, and feasible to manufacture, with resources found on the Moon, Mars, or Titan. A robust and impenetrable structure that's easy to assemble, repurpose, expand, and reconfigure according to needs. Hex Space offers a holistic approach to the challenges of the solar era. Hexagon-based modules can attach securely to each other without the need for costly modifications and tailor-made docking systems. Modular design, infinite scalability, and universal compatibility are the key characteristics of Hex Space structures. Starting with only a couple of standard containers, Hex Space architecture can gradually expand and facilitate a great variety of applications, proving it's the most reliable containing method for any kind of mission across the solar system. A wide range of customizable and fully compatible hexagonal modules of different sizes and functions serve as the building blocks of low-gravity bases, as well as orbital stations and spaceships of all kinds.